In this video, I want to talk about how you can join YouTube TV. Now, if you're on your phone, you can download the app YouTube TV. If you're using your smart TV, you can do it as well. But if you're on your PC, you should head over to tv.youtube.com. And in here, you can press on the trial here. So you can try it for 5 days for free as of this date right here. And there will always be some kind of promotion that's running that you can use. So this one right here, you can see it's limited time. But what you want to do is you want to just click on this button. And once you're there, it's gonna make you create the account and you're gonna put in your zip code and stuff like this. And once you've paid, you're ready to go. Now you can also do family sharing if you want to share it with your family members. And how that works is you're gonna go, once you have your account, click on your profile picture and go to manage. In there, you should be able to see family sharing, and then you can send an invite to your family members. It can be an email or an SMS, and they're just gonna accept that one. So that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.